deliver the presidential address, I invite on stage Forbes enlisted entrepreneur regarded as one of the most influential personalities in the Middle East. He has a glittering record of achievements with a rare combination of experience from maritime, visual media, and Hollywood. He is the director of Hollywood venture Dam 999, founder director of Concept Indiewood, the USD 10 billion project, author of Anukavyam, and concept creator of the revolutionary innovative efficiency improvement management system, EFISM, the Efficiency Improvement System Management. Please welcome Sir Sohan Roy.
Good evening to all. See, awards and recognitions, these are all like tonics for professionals to move forward with extra energy. You must have noticed, in today's event, you cannot see even a single sponsor's name here who are normally receiving awards at the end of the function. Maybe this is the only event in the entire Middle East, maybe, where you receive an award without providing sponsorship. Because this is a world of sponsored awards. Every other day there is an award ceremony happening. Why we are not doing so is of one reason. Personally, I have received almost around 500 awards from various countries. My home is now filled with so many awards and there is no space at all. But I have personally rejected more than 1,000 for one reason. Whatever I have received, I got it without any kind of sponsorship. I consider it as a real recognition. But the ones I rejected, those are all came as a sponsored award. I don't need to get such awards because it doesn't give me any extra energy. If you have money, if you can pay, and if you can get an award, what is the meaning of that award? That's why we introduced the system, recommendations for the award from someone else, scrutinize it, give the award. If anyone want to promote their product extra, it is their will to have an stall or something, nothing is mandatory. But to give the award, the special instruction given to the entire event management team is that never take a single penny for the awards. So that way, whoever receiving this award today is a real recognition. Congratulations for that. We have been conducting this kind of award ceremonies for a long time, since 2007. Worldwide, in so many countries, many continents, in 23 different fields. More than 60 events every year we are conducting. Every event is concluding with an award ceremony to recognize the individuals and the companies. Because these recognitions can be used as the best branding tool. I'm 100% sure that for the next 1 year, this award, what you are going to receive, will take your organization to a different level. It will be the best branding tool. When the branding is in a better way, it leads to the best marketing. You will be proud to present yourself, your organization, in front of all the clients. You don't need to go there and tell that we have extra energy or something, or extra features, because this award itself will tell you everything. You just go there and, or before meeting the client, just forward that we are the award winners. That is more than enough to give the confidence for the clients. Basically, nowadays, we are all confused with the subcontractors. We don't know who is the best in the market. So many organizations getting opened every other day. After seeing their name or logo or website, we cannot judge a company. In a world of AI, in a single day, you can show brilliant marketing strategies, overcoming ages of records of many old companies with high reputation. But when you receive an award conducted or issued by BizTV Events, that should be a recognition that after scrutinizing so many similar players, you are selected, you are shortlisted as the best. We are not saying that you are the ultimate company in that sector, but at least you are on the top 5. Otherwise, you can never be picked up for this award. That is more than sufficient in the industry when we shortlist a subcontractor. If among the 100, if I get a subcontractor in the top 5, that is more than enough for us to issue a purchase order. That way, hope in the coming years, at least for the next 1 year, this will be your best marketing and branding tool. Not only that, in the morning session, I don't know how many of you were here, I had mentioned about the industrial university created by us, that is AIMRI. AIMRI is now, we are branding it as the Oxford of the industry. This is the only industrial university in the world. This university can be used by the people working in the industry without leaving your profession, without taking a break. You can go for your skill upgradation, certifications, diplomas, degrees, post-graduation, industrial doctorate, everything. So whoever winning this award today here, personal awards anyone is winning, actually, if they got 20 years of experience, surely they should write their professional biography for their industrial doctorate. Because that is the qualification run. And today's recognition or that quality stamp is more than sufficient for the university to accept it as the thesis for the doctorate. The university says that to get an industrial doctorate, either you do an invention. Every product in this room, there are, you can see, if you look around, at least 100 products you can see. Behind every invention, there is a millionaire or a billionaire. But in our university, when you invent something like this, you not only become a millionaire or billionaire, you get an industrial doctorate also. It's a dream of everyone to get a doctorate these days. But unfortunately, the academic sector has gone to that level that you can pay money and get a doctorate. Every other person, even a haircutter these days, get a doctorate. That is the way it is gone down. That's why we introduce industrial doctorate. Industrial doctorate is a stamp that you are the master in your field. That's why we are saying that when you write your name, write Dr.Ind. That is industrial doctorate. Those who receive this award, they don't need to explain to others that they are something in the industry because that name itself will show that he is the master. So far, 96 legends in the industry got this doctorate. Legends means ultimate person, because I am from the maritime industry. In the maritime industry, the ultimate person is the biggest ship owner. That person is normally the president of the Ship Owners Association. He is an Italian with a legacy of 1,000 years. He was here 2 months back to receive this award. So that's the way we have branded. Now it is open for the other professionals in the industry. So if you don't have a chance to invent something, second option is, if you have 20 years of experience, it is your job to share your experience. Your experience, your knowledge should not die when you leave this world. It is your responsibility to hand over to the next generation. Why the next generation should repeat the same mistake what you experienced? Every mistake you do in the industry, it is going to the shoulders of the employer. Every fresher getting into the industry is giving heavy damage for the employer. Even I have done it when I was a fresher. Because academics failed to teach us the industrial culture. All these people sitting here in the real estate sector, I'm 100% sure that not even a single credit was attended in your academic period. You all learned after coming to the industry taught you. The industrial bodies taught you. In the school level, you never had a single paper about real estate. You had no idea. That's the way our academic sector is designed. It is run by a group of people who never worked in the industry, who got no idea about the industry. It is just like a blind leading another blind. We all wasted our money, our time, everything in that academic sector. not 100 hours or 1,000 hours, more than 50,000 hours. Learning all nonsense, useless stuff, and getting into the industry, knowing nothing about the industry, and at the cost of the industry, you are learning something. So why should we keep on following this 150-year-old system? We need to change. Whatever happened in the past is different. Now it is our responsibility to make sure that at least the damages made by us should be conveyed to the next generation. That's the very purpose of industrial doctorates. Professional biography as the thesis. It is not a big issue to write a biography. If you have the writing skill, you can make it. You can write it yourself. If you don't have that skill, hire a ghostwriter, explain your thing, they will write it. Otherwise, contact the university. We have a team. Using the AI, we can give you 100% guarantee that within 30 days, today if you start the journey, next month, the same day, you will have a function where you can release your book. And your input is just 5 hours of interview with the university team. Using the AI support, that 5 hours of information will be converted into a 200-page thesis or a biography. If you spend 10 hours, it becomes a 400-page book. And that becomes the thesis, and that becomes your reason for getting the doctorate. But it is the university's responsibility to make sure that this book is published in the international sector, in the industry. It is available in Amazon platform or other platforms. It can be, if you want to release it in 10 languages or 100 languages, using AI, we can translate it into so many different languages. If you want to make it into a video format, there are so many latest apps available where a script can be converted into video format. Because the power of the video is it's beyond your imagination. Normally in our academic period, we spent almost 1 year to learn a 200-page textbook. But in a video format, a 200-page textbook can be put into your brain in hardly 3.5 hours. The movie Titanic, you must know. James Cameron did not come and explain you the story. In 3 hours, he brilliantly put the entire movie into your brain. It is a 180-page script. That is the power of the visual media. I am from the movie industry, that's why I am telling you. Once you are inside the theater, you never look into your mobile. That's the power of the movie theaters. There you are fully focused, your attention is on the screen, only that particular sound which should go to your brain, it will go there. Now the technology is advanced. Oculus is coming to the market. Everyone will have an Oculus with you in future. That is a virtual reality glass. That will give you an immersed experience. If you have the content, you can transfer the knowledge to someone. That means your professional biography, if you make it into a visual format, you don't need to make a big movie or something. Now there are platforms like Soro and other things, which will transfer your thesis into a video format. A 200-page information can be transferred to someone's brain in 3 hours, 3.5 hours. That is also possible. Even otherwise, you can make it into reels. Your video biography can be put it into small 1 minute, 2 minutes reels. Important things, you can pass it to the next generation. The royalty is coming to you. Of course, the university is also getting benefit, because that is something university is also running with that energy. So just imagine, your book is so interesting that so much information is there. 1 million people in the industry read it, and you are getting $1 out of each book. You are a millionaire. So don't think that the effort what you are putting to make your professional biography is a waste. And that book will be here in this world forever. Even your next 2 generations in your family will be projecting it as your family asset. And if it is done by any organization, for example, in our company, this year end, all our directors in the company with 20 years of experience, we have given a target that everyone should write their professional biography. So organization is taking the initiative. Those biographies will be there in our asset list also. So when the company valuation happens, this also becomes an asset. So no way this effort what you are putting, this 5 hours or 10 hours, it's not a waste. End of the day, you are getting a doctorate. You can introduce one of our persons who received this doctorate is here. You can check with that person. Her name is Lakshmi, because we have a doctorate event tonight also. 6 people going to receive it. So just ask Lakshmi how happy she is after getting the doctorate. Her profile is completely changed. Today, she proudly presents her biography as the visiting card. No one will forget her. The confidence level goes up. So this is possible for you too. So think about writing a professional biography. That is one aspect. Then second is the skill upgradation process. The diploma, degree, and post-graduations. With 100 credits, we can provide you the diploma, 200 credits degree, and 250 credits master's degree. Otherwise, it is too late for us to take a break and go back to the academics and get these degrees from someone who has no experience in the industry. Industry is changing every day. There is no meaning of going back to the academics and waste our time further to get some degrees. So value the industrial doctorate, industrial degrees, and work for us. So today's recognition, whoever received, the organizations receive this one, please contact us. We are ready to make a mass training camp for you to improve your efficiency or this skill upgradation process, HR training process, we are ready to support. And all these award winners tomorrow onwards should be a family member. We should meet once in a while. So we will surely share you with the WhatsApp numbers and other things. Let us make a WhatsApp groups for this one to work together, move forward like a family. Once again, congratulations to all the award winners, and thank you very much for your time to come to this event and make it a success. Thank you very much.